So this is going to be a huge time saver for you guys, right? Now, I'm always looking for different ways to save time and, basically make the job for online arbitrage easier. So this is not going to be for Amazon, but this is going to help you out if you're selling on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari, or all of them, right? So what this is it's a multi-channel listing software. So instead, in the past, I would tell you, okay, list it on Poshmark, then list it on Mercari, then list it on eBay, right? Or any of the other websites, right? Then it would take you, even though if it was like a short period of time, it would take you like a minute or two each one. Instead, wouldn't it be great if you could just list it once and then have that software distribute the listing on each different platform, so you only have to list it once and not 3 times every single time, right? Because if you're listing like 50 to 100 products a month or more, that's going to save you a ridiculous amount of time and make your job a lot easier. Also, it's going to manage your sales. So if you sell it on one platform and you only have a quantity of one, it's going to remove it from the other platforms. So there are a lot of multi-channel listing softwares out there, but the only one that I've come across that lists on the ones that I focus on and the ones that I recommend, so we're talking it lists to Mercari, it lists to Poshmark, and it lists to eBay, all with the click of one button, is List Perfectly. Now, List Perfectly is a phenomenal software that I utilize. Now, you can't just sign up for this. It is getting on the wait list, so you have to go to listperfectly.com, hit get on the wait list, and then in a couple days after that, they'll send you an email like this that says you can finally get started and you want to go to listperfectly.com/onboard, right? So it does come with a 3-day trial. So once you complete your onboarding and you set your account up, your 3-day trial will begin. And then if for whatever reason you feel like it's not worth it, you could just cancel and you will never be charged. But I'm telling you, for the prices that you're paying, if you plan on listing on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari to any certain degree, this is going to be a lifesaver. It's going to save you time. It's going to make you more money so that you're not wasting hours and hours and hours every month listing on every single platform. Instead, you're just doing it once and then it's boom on all of them. Great way to do it. Multi-channel listing software for the win. Highly recommend List Perfectly. So now once you get on the wait list, you get your email and you're about to get your free trial, right? This is exactly how it works. I was going to create a tutorial basically and show you, but why not just play it for you? Let's watch it really fast together. It's a minute long.
Perfectly simple subscription is just that. Simple to use with only the features most small sellers need. Upload your images and use templating for faster listing. Then send those listings to sales channels.
Forgot Etsy too. Great.
Post an item on one channel one day, then post another later without having to find or download images, copy pasting title.
Another great thing that you're going to see here in a second is, so obviously I forgot Etsy as well, and once you sign up for this, you can rewatch this tutorial, but I think it's really, really helpful. I'm going to continue to play it until the end here in a second. But one of the things that's also great about List Perfectly that I forgot to add is you can take eBay listings directly, right? So you can't pull from Amazon. I believe that they're starting to integrate that. They're talking about adding that as a part of the extension coming soon. But you can take listings directly from eBay and put it on your Mercari or your Poshmark store, right? So if you're planning on listing something on eBay or you're about to list something on eBay, you can then go ahead and grab that eBay listing and also post it to Poshmark or Mercari. So it works very well, but she's going to outline that for you here in a second.
Description. You can also import your eBay listings into List Perfectly with a click of a button. No character counts and limitations before cross-posting. Keep track of where your item is listed to easily identify where to send your item next. Features include creating your own templates to make listing even faster. Apply them from a simple drop-down. Create listings from any device, your phone or computer. If you need more features, check out our Business and Pro subscription.
So that's just the tutorial for the normal one, which is what I have. So I have the simple plan. You can also upgrade if you plan on scaling this up. So if you're like really, really scaling up the cashback arbitrage or something like that, right? To like hundreds of products every month or sometimes even thousands, if you're really on that level and you have multiple accounts, then you might want to look into Business and Pro. It's going to save you a ridiculous amount of time at that point, and it's going to save you and make you a lot of money. I also, like I said, forgot that you can list on Etsy as well. So that's Etsy, Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, all with the click of a button. And you can also pull directly from eBay listings and grab that and post them to those other platforms as well. So highly recommend that you look into this software. It's going to save you a lot of time and money.